Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Kevin Ballard. Welcome to K&H 382, Fitness Assessment and Exercise Prescription. I just want to take a few minutes here to introduce myself and to introduce you to the Canvas site for this course that we'll be using throughout this semester. So looking at the home page here to start off with, just take a note that this is the Canvas site for the lecture part of this course. There will be a separate Canvas site for the lab part of this course, something we'll talk about much more next week when we meet for the first time. Overall course description, you can see that there. We're going to start off early on in this semester talking about the benefits and risk of exercise. We'll then move into how to risk stratify clients and patients, move into how to choose and administer appropriate exercise tests for both diagnostic as well as functional testing purposes, and you'll get some hands-on experience with those tests in your lab sections. We'll also discuss how to interpret those data, and then towards the end of the semester, how to provide an appropriate and tailor-made exercise prescription for both clients and subjects. So if we move down now to the objectives, these are the same that are in the syllabus. I'll let you read those in your own, but we're going to touch on these throughout the semester. Down here is important, the required resources. Both the ACSM Guidelines for Exercise Testing and Prescription 10th edition, as well as ACSM's Health-Related Physical Fitness Assessment Manual, 5th edition. So make sure that you order those textbooks and have them ready the first day of class. Make sure you order them early. Also make sure you bring your book and calculator to each class, because many of the class periods will be doing in-class calculations. A little bit more about myself. You can look at my faculty profile if you're interested, learn more about my background, as well as my research interest. By far, the best way to reach me is through email. So there's my email address, and if you can, please remember to use the email function in Canvas to contact me. Now, if we go over to the syllabus page, just take a look at that just for a second, something we'll go over on the first day of class. Here's the downloadable course syllabus, and here's the course syllabus in the Canvas site. So for this lecture, we're meeting Mondays and Wednesdays at 2:50 p.m. And then for section D, E, and F, you see the corresponding lab meeting times. Course description we already discussed. We already talked about the text and resources. We already discussed a little bit about the learning objectives. I'll let you read through this on your own regarding the assessments, and we'll discuss this in more detail on the first day of class. And then moving on down, additional course policies and notes. Please read those. And then the tentative course schedule. This is going to change over the semester, I guarantee that. But we're going to start off on first week, just kind of a brief introduction to the course. Talk a little bit about physical activity, exercise, and health, and the benefits and risk associated with physical activity. Now if you go back up and go over to the Modules tab, Module 1 is now active. So if you click on that, this is going to be the overview of Module 1 or Week 1. Required reading. Ask that you please read Chapter 1 before we meet next week. Just for ease for the first week, I did include a PDF of Chapter 1 of the textbook. But please remember to purchase the textbook early, as I will not provide a PDF for subsequent textbook chapters. I have yet to upload the PowerPoint slides for Chapter 1, but I will do that in the upcoming days. And then some supplemental reading just for your future reference. Here I attached the Compendium of Physical Activity, something we'll discuss more next week. So that's about it for right now. If you do have any questions, I will be around the office. I'll be checking email this week, so please let me know. Otherwise, I will see you on Monday afternoon for our first class. All right, talk to you then.